Hello everyone, friends. How are you? Welcome to a new video where we will explore one of the most colorful, vibrant, and fascinating birds in the animal kingdom, the toucan. So get ready, because in this video we're going to dive into a bunch of fun facts about this incredible bird and everything that makes it stand out from the rest. Before we get started, if you like the content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you never miss one of our upcoming videos. And now, let's get to the point. The toucan is one of those creatures that, as soon as you see it, leaves you speechless. With its giant, brightly colored beak, it looks like it came straight out of a surrealist painting, right? But what many don't know is that this beak isn't just for attracting attention, it plays a very important role in the toucan's life. Although its size seems exaggerated, the beak is actually lightweight, made of keratin, and is used to reach fruit in hard-to-reach places, to defend itself from other animals, and even to regulate its body temperature. It's a multitasker of nature. Speaking of its diet, toucans are frugivores, which means they primarily feed on fruit. They're especially fond of fruits like mangoes, papayas, bananas, and guanabanas. They love pecking at these treats with their big beak, and their diet can also include some berries, seeds, and even insects and small reptiles from time to time. The fact that their beak is so long and strong allows them to grab fruit from high branches without needing to fly to them, which gives them an advantage over other birds. But it's not just their beak that makes the toucan interesting, their social behavior is pretty fascinating too. They're very social birds and live in groups. You can often see them in flocks of up to 20 individuals, which helps protect them from potential predators. Despite being so eye-catching, these birds aren't very good flyers since their bodies, which are relatively large compared to their wings, don't allow them to make long flights. But don't worry, their short and fast flights are more than enough for them to hop from tree to tree. They also have a pretty peculiar flying style, flapping their wings quickly and short, almost like they're bouncing from side to side in the air. As for their habitat, toucans are mostly found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. They love living in areas with lots of vegetation and fruit trees, as it provides them with food and shelter. They are experts at blending in with the leaves, and while their bright colors may seem like they make them vulnerable to predators, their ability to move stealthily through the branches helps them remain unnoticed. And there's more. Toucans also have an incredible ability to adapt to their surroundings. While they are typically rainforest birds, some species have adapted to more open areas and even urban environments, where they can easily find food. But don't get too excited, the toucan isn't a common pet. Due to their wild nature and specialized diet, these animals prefer to stay in their natural habitat. Now, let's talk a little about toucan reproduction because, like all species, it has its special touch. Toucans are monogamous, meaning they tend to form stable pairs that last through the breeding season. How romantic! The courtship process of toucans is quite a spectacle. The males show off their beaks to the females, swinging them from side to side in what looks like a kind of dance. After finding their ideal partner, both of them work together to build a nest in tree hollows, where the female lays her eggs. And while the female does the incubation work, the male doesn't sit back. He also participates in feeding and protecting the baby toucans. It's impressive how these birds not only attract attention with their appearance but also with their interesting behaviors. Toucans, with their giant beaks and vibrant energy, remain one of the most beloved and admired birds in the world. Can you imagine having one as a neighbor in the jungle? That would be an amazing experience. And that's it for today's video, friends. If you like the content, you know what to do. Give it a big like, subscribe if you haven't already, and activate the bell to always be up to date with our upcoming adventures in the animal kingdom. See you in the next video. Take care and keep exploring nature.